Elephants crossing the road. There's a little baby and a big one. Oh, and another medium-sized one.
There's the water camera in the car. Can't believe I missed that new baby.